This first video caught by a homeowner in Texas shows a man waving around his hand while seemingly in deep conversation with someone who isn't there, while clutching a large metal pole in the other. As the man walks away from the camera, things get even weirder. His image starts to look translucent as you can see the lawn and the black truck is visible through his figure as he disappears. Is this just a camera glitch? Or could this man actually be a supernatural entity? Two, this next video, also from Texas, is of a horrifying hooded man as he knocks on a family's door in the middle of the night. What follows is terrifying. Take a look.
Hello. Hi. How are you, sir? Who are you? Everybody knows. How are you? Good. You need to leave. How far? Out there. What's the staircase? What? What's the stone stairs? Come on, where are you going? What's the stairs? Goodbye, you.
3. Crossing the pond over to the United Kingdom, this next video was taken by Raymond Hawkins, a 45-year-old father during the spring of 2020, during the beginning of the lockdown. As he opened the door for what he believed was a delivery driver, chaos erupted.
Put it on your door and take it because coronavirus.
Unfortunately, little did he know, the man was part of a group of thugs that was about to storm into his house to rob him and his family. After a few minutes go by, the group storms back out of the house to escape. Four. This next video is of a truly disturbing and confusing scene. As a little girl runs towards a young father's home and asks for help, he lets her in and calls the police. What follows is terrifying.
He's coming.
Who's coming? Talk to me.
Oh, me. He's there for me. Oh my God. What's your phone?
I don't know, a Sarah girl came running out of the house and then a guy just came running out.
Five. This next video was taken in Dallas, Texas, as it captures a home invasion in real time. Take a look. 6. This next video is of a man in the middle of the night acting erratically at someone's front door. To make it even creepier, he's wearing a mask that resembles a broken porcelain baby doll. 7. To continue on the theme of creepy masks. Look at this scary guy in a clown costume lurking at someone's door, creepily staring at the camera before disappearing into the night. Eight, to finish off the video staying on the creepy mask theme, take a look at this news footage from Carrollton, Texas, where a creepy man is seen in a goat mask holding a sign speaking of end times.
Security cameras as doorbells and around homes today, but one person we met saw this on her doorbell camera. Somebody in that mask holding a sign with a Bible verse on it. Our Aaron Jones hearing from the Carrollton homeowner tonight who has one very simple question. Why?
The Ring camera video has left her visibly shaken.
I'm scared to leave the house. I'm scared to be at the house.
Understandably, this Carrollton homeowner does not want to show her face, but tells us about what happened in her neighborhood near West Hebron Parkway in 121 last Saturday around 8 p.m.
My husband and I had gone out to dinner, and then we had stopped off at the store to pick up a Powerball ticket. And I was waiting in the car for him, and my Ring notification went off.
She says she saw a masked person in her driveway. The person walked through the side yard to her front door.
Person popped up on the video with that goat's mask on, and they were approaching my door.
She noticed the person pretended to knock and was holding a sign with a Bible verse on it.
It's about the end times. It's about Judgment Day. I freaked out. I mean, I was like, I couldn't even think of anything.
The homeowner called Carrollton police, but the person had already left. Police say a report was filed, but they found no crime had occurred. So now they're monitoring the situation.
It's really scary. I'm not aware of anything like this ever happening, and I hope they catch him.
On social media, posts about this incident have gained a lot of attention. The homeowner says if this is someone pulling a prank, she'd tell them.
A lot of people were saying that they would probably shoot the person. I wish it were fake because, it's really affected me.
Thank you for watching Mr. Grimm's Terrifying Tales. Don't forget to subscribe for more creepy videos.